The word cloud software allows better visualization of your text by displaying the most occurring words from your text. Now, in order to do that, it has to remove or filter out some of the type of words from your text. So, for example, stop words such as could and but, and the vowels like a, e, I, o, u, as well as any unnecessary punctuation marks which are occurring in your text. So now let us see with an example how we can add some text and see how word clouds will allow you to create a word cloud. So let us take a look at this sentence. You have lost a lot of weight by working out at 5 o'clock, but you could have lost more of it. Now, of course, you will not enter such a small piece of text to generate a word cloud, but since I wanted to show you the output, that is how the output is getting generated, I have entered this sample short text. So the words but, a and of and you have been filtered out from the text, and the software displays a color-coded larger text for the most occurring phrases. Now you may notice that the word it should have been filtered out as well, but it is still there. So the way the software works is that it filters out most of the occurring stop words and vowels, but if they occur at the end of sentence, we have kept it for now. Because if we try to remove the word completely, it can go away from the in-between words also, which is not what we want. So the goal is to reduce the stop words and vowels but not completely eliminate them. To give you an example, if you see the word 5 o'clock, you can see that it has not removed the vowel o from in between the word, because if it had removed that vowel, it won't read like a complete word. On the other hand, if the same it had to occur in between the sentence instead of at the very end, it would have been eliminated from the output. Similarly, the stop word or the filler word of should not be removed from a word like often. So the software will not eliminate the word off from the often when it is used as a part of a sentence. And if a filler or stop word is followed by a hyphen, once again it will not be removed. To give an example, if we are using a word such as well versed, and if we were to remove the filler or stop word well, it won't be removed when it is followed by a hyphen. But if it is occurring individually without any hyphen and it is part of a sentence, then only it will be removed. Now that we know how the software works to remove the unnecessary words, let us see the different ways to add text to the software. Now there are two ways you can add text to word cloud software: by adding text via file from your computer or by adding text via a clipboard. Once you have added your text, all you have to do is to click the button Generate Word Cloud and then wait till the software finishes. The software will also show you the most 5 top occurring phrases in the form of text, as well as color code the top 5 occurring phrases and enlarge them. You can export the generated word cloud to your hard drive in the form of an Excel file. Once you have downloaded the file, you will be able to see the most occurring words from your text and also the number of times the words have occurred in your text.